Hi everyone, name's Tracy. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm planting an autumn glazed maple. It'll get 40 foot tall. Digging up this holly, it's the Nellie Stevens holly I put here a couple years ago. I'm going to move it and put the tree here. That way it'll give this yard plenty of shade in this area, and it'll be far enough away from the house so I don't have to worry about the branches going into it or the root system. So I'm going to get busy doing that, and I'll show you how to plant my trees on a slope. If I can get it to stand up. I did have this, don't bother these, go around your trees and shrubs. They're not going to count. Now when you get these trees, if the root systems are really wound around, pull them loose a little bit, it'll help them root better. Got sweating lines. Now dig your hole twice as big as your root ball. Now some people add fertilizer at this time. I don't. Once in a while I might, but not all the time. they're going to like it there. It will get taller than the dogwood that's already there. But it will give the yard plenty of shade, and it won't be up close to the house. Now, as I plant my trees on a slope, the lower side, I want to make sure that the lower side of the root ball is no higher than the level of my ground. So when I put the soil back on over top of the, when I put the soil around the root ball and on top of the root ball, I make sure it goes at an angle that the ground is, that it slopes like the yard. So that's my video for today. Thank you for joining me. I will put more stats about the tree on the screen for you. Hopefully it likes its new home. I will keep it watered for a couple of weeks. I did not fertilize, and the reason I did not fertilize is I want them roots to search out nutrition instead of staying right there around the base of the tree. I know a lot of people will go ahead and fertilize. Sometimes I do, but with like a maple tree, I want it to search out its nutrition and get its roots established. So we'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.